Hey, what's up guys? This is just a quick video to showcase a workaround for yet another problem I've personally come across. This time we are dealing with the Razer Viper Ultimate, more specifically Razer Synapse. I was really intrigued by a mouse with a docking station because I've always found it awkward taking the mouse and having to plug it up somewhere for a while. I bought a considerably cheaper mouse with a dock, but it lacked control for some of the RGB elements. As I also like to create setup inspiration videos, which are mostly aesthetic, I sought more control over the RGB. That's why I settled on the Razer Viper Ultimate. Everything was fine when I first got it. I set all the zones to white within the Synapse software and it stayed that way for a month. Then after some time, Synapse and the green breathing lighting just took over. No matter what I did, I couldn't get it to stop. I went on to Reddit and found other users having the same problem and no clear solution that I can remember. I also uninstalled and reinstalled the Synapse software, which I did read didn't work for another user, but I figured I would try it anyway. What I did come up with was that I could use Signal RGB in lieu of Synapse. As far as I can tell, nothing has changed operationally. You can still set the DPI and I think it still charges on the dock. Keep in mind how well this works and if it will conflict with other RGB software may vary, but let's look at getting it set up. The first thing is uninstalling Synapse if you have it. Next thing is to Google Signal RGB, download and install it. Once you get it installed, head over to devices, click on that. You should see all of your compatible devices at the bottom. From here you can click on each device and configure the lighting. When you are in here though, make sure you set the lighting to forced if it is on canvas, because otherwise you will get this different color morphing effect. Do that for both the mouse and the dock and you should be good to go. Let me know if this helps or any other better solutions in the comments.